I mean, it's a little bit. It's been a little bit challenging, but it's an exciting part of the year, to transition from what we achieved in Super Rugby, and it's the boys are obviously on a high, but we've got a job ahead of us to go up against the All Blacks on Saturday night is very exciting. I think the boys now are very settled in now in camp and really focusing on the game.
Yeah, look, like as you were saying, it's one of the things that I guess it was good that we had the weekend off and just park those emotions and all those the hype and whatever it was from the week before and focus. It's a different beast this weekend, and they're a class side, and look, it's going to be a massive challenge, but nothing that I'm sure we can't handle. And we'll be we've been back in the last week. We went into camp and enjoyed the company and got into things pretty early. So I'm looking for a great week of prep this weekend.
Look, I think the hype about the game is about the same, and it's always exciting when you play against New Zealand, and they've been the best for a long time now. So for us as a team, we're excited about that and looking forward to going in on Saturday night. Yeah,
look, I mean, it's not like you're pulling guys that haven't played at the Super Rugby level, and guys like Chipper Hansen and Nathan Charles have played massive amounts of games this year, and credit to them, they've played really, really well. So it's their chance to step up to the plate, and I'm sure, no doubt, they're looking forward to soak up the occasion and take the opportunity. And it's a bit unfortunate for guys to get injured, but sometimes opportunities pops up in some guys in misfortunate. So they're ready to go, and as long as we can prepare well as a forward pack and as a team, we'll be in for a fight.
They're a team that obviously puts out a 80-minute performance, and you can't really make any mistakes, otherwise they capitalise on that and put points on you. So they've got a lot of superstars across their team, and like I said, it's going to be a great challenge for us, but I'm sure the boys will be up for it.
Coaches have said it, those are the things, that attributes that get you to where you are, and you've just got to nut down the detail, and knowledge is power. At the end of the day, if you can get down the knowledge and know your role, you can turn things up a little bit more and lift the intensity. So it won't be much. I'll be focusing much more on my game, but if anything, it's just for him to enjoy it and go out there and do what he's been doing all season.
Yeah, this is definitely right up there, with what I've experienced in my career so far, and like I said, when you come against the All Blacks, they're an international brand that is well known around the world, and you want to play against the best. They've been the best for a long time, and so those are the teams that you want to challenge yourself, and like I said, it's right up there with what I've experienced, but it'll be something that I'm looking forward to.
How much more confident do you feel going in against them now than, say, 12 months ago, where you haven't played that much Test rugby before playing them?
Yeah, look, obviously it helps with with experience. Obviously playing against them before, but this time last year, facing them the first time, I was obviously still confident in my ability. First of all, being picked in the team, and then going up against a class side like the All Blacks. But it's much the same this year. I always back myself, and like I said, it's obviously helps when you've played against them before, so you kind of know what to expect. But I'm more excited than anything.